Now we're going to add a little bit more depth to our glitter graphic. As you can see here, I've already got it started here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just add another color to it here. Let's go ahead and fill that in right there. There we go. Now let's add a little bit of noise in here. Let's go down here to noise. Let's just add some noise like so. Let's key that into 12. There we go, just a little bit, not too much. There we go. Now let's go to layer. We're going to go to layer style. Let's just go into blending options. This way it'll open up our whole tab here. We'll just go ahead and we want to put a little inner blur on that. Let's see if we can get just a little bit more out of it, like so. Let's see if we can get this just a little bit darker here. Yeah, we'll just leave it on normal. That's fine. There we go. I'm going to just deselect that. There we go. Now we got a little bit of, on the inside here of my graphic here, a little bit of depth here. And so we'll stop here.